Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Berries palette by JUVIA'S. I created this look I have on right now. If you're interested, just keep watching, but first don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have you. Also, I have two other tutorials using the Nudes palette and the Violets palette by JUVIA'S. Also, I'm going to start doing notification shoutouts at the end of every video. All you have to do to get shouted out is hit that bell down below and turn on your notifications, and then comment down below that you have your notifications on. The Berries mini palette has 2 shimmers and 4 matte shadows. Shade 1, a matte deep burgundy. Shade 2, a matte rosy pink. Shade 3, a metallic pinkish plum with a silver finish. Shade 4, a matte deep rose with specks of shimmer. Shade 5, a matte deep berry plum purple. I'm shocked by how pigmented these pink matte shadows are, but when I removed the eyeshadow, it did stain my arm, so that's just something to be cautious about. I'm going to be priming my eyes with concealer, and I'm going to be leaving the concealer wet and not setting it with powder. With the middle shade on the top row, I'm going to start by packing it on the outer corner and crease of my eye. Then I'm going to be blending it out so there are no harsh lines. I'm going to be blending that shade out a little bit above the crease of my eye. Taking a blending brush with no product, I'm going to be blending everything out more. While blending, I'm going to be going in circular and back and forth motions. Now I'm going to be mixing the very first and the last shades in the palette, and I'm going to be darkening everything up by placing that shade in the outer corner and lower crease of my eye. With the middle shade again, I'm going to be blending out the darker shadow I just applied. Again, I'm going to be blending everything out with a blending brush with no product. Now I'm going to be cutting the crease. I apply the concealer along the lower part of my eyelid, and then I look up and that shows a line where the crease should go. This is a trick for hooded eyes. I'm going to be doing an ombre crease. With the shimmer shade from the top row, I'm going to apply it to the inner part of the crease. Now with a shimmer shade from the bottom row, I'm going to be applying that to the outer part of the crease. With the last shade in the palette, I'm going to be blending the shimmer and the matte shadows together. I'm going to be applying black eyeliner to my waterline. I'm going to be smoking out my lower lash line with the same eyeshadows I used earlier. Now I'm going to be blending that out. Also, I'm going to be doing a wing with liquid eyeliner. If you would like to see a more in-depth tutorial on wing eyeliner, let me know down below in the comments. I'm going to be applying some lashes, and now here's the final look. I will be doing a tutorial on Friday with the Chocolates palette by JUVIA'S. If you made it this far in the video, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.